Hello and good morning students, I am Shudipto, your class teacher. Today I am going to give you the answer of exercise of chapter 3 pronouns, okay, for class 8 students. It is the answer of exercise, chapter number 3, it is pronouns. So you can open your book. I am just giving you the answer. So is it will be treated as a document video. Whenever I will take your online class in the time of live online class, I will explain this with the question, okay, so that you will able to understand each and every answer. So now I am giving you this answer. It is the learn portion, okay. Use personal pronouns to complete these sentences. One pronoun can be used more than once. So the first answer is her, second answer is them, third is he and them, fourth is they and it, fifth is they, six is we, seven is she, 8 is he, 9 is it, 10 is you and I. Now go to the next page, that is practice A. Fill in the blanks with interrogative pronouns. You know it very well, the interrogative pronouns. Those pronouns is used to make a question, okay. So the first answer is what, second is who, third is what, fourth is what, fifth is whom, sixth is who, seven is which, eight is which, nine is whose, 10th is whom. Then question number B. Choose the correct option. Also state whether it is a pronoun or an adjective. So I have told you many times that there are some confusing pronouns and there are also some confusing adjectives. So you have to identify which of these adjective or pronoun. So here the first answer is mine, that is pronoun, second is yours, that is adjective, third is her, that is adjective, fourth is their, that is adjective, their pronoun, and fifth ours, it is pronoun, six its, it is pronoun, seven our, adjective, ours pronoun, eight is her, adjective, hers pronoun, 9 my, adjective, 10 yours pronoun. Go to next page C. State whether the highlighted words are pronouns or adjective. So you have to open your book. There are some highlighted words, okay. The first highlighted word, okay, wait, okay, I am telling you from this area, that is page number 28, okay. Practice, fill in the blanks with interrogative pronouns. Yes, interrogative pronouns. So you know it very well. What are those interrogative pronouns? Those pronouns are creating question, okay. Those pronouns creates questions, such as the first answer is what was the journey like. Second is who knows what will happen next. Third is what should you rather be, an artist or a musician. Fourth is what are your parents doing these days. Fifth is whom did you attend the meeting with? 6 is, who received the award on my behalf? 7 is, which one of these bottles is yours? 8 is, which of you is going to the fair? It is the answer number 8. Now question number 9 is, question number 9, who are these smelly sharks? Question number 10, whom does Mahima report to at work? So it was the answer of practice question number A. Now have a glance on question number B. Choose the correct option. Also state whether it is a pronoun or an adjective. So you know it very well. I have told you several times what is the difference between pronoun and adjective, right? So according to this sense, you have to treat whether it is a pronoun or it is an adjective. The first question is, do not touch that vase. It is mine or it is my. So it is mine, okay? So mine is a pronoun. What type of pronoun it is? It is possessive pronoun. Okay. Now the second question is this your pen or yours pen? It would be your pen, and it is not an pronoun, it is an adjective. Okay. Now question number 3, we took Janita to the doctor. Her or hers wound was bleeding. So here what would be the answer? It would be her. Her wound was bleeding. So it is, her wound means it is adjective. It is not a pronoun. Question number 4, the children who came for the workshop brought along with their or theirs toy. What would be here? Question number 4, this is their and it is adjective. Next sentence is, the toys are theirs. Here theirs is pronoun. It is possessive pronoun. Okay. Now question number 5, I have brought lunch for all of us. The white lunch boxes are our or ours. So it would be ours, and definitely it is possessive pronoun. I bought a new basket for my pet kitten. That basket is it or its. The basket is it. Question number 6. Question number 7 is, Paul and Paula came to our house last night. The house at the end of the street is ours. Here ours is pronoun. Question number 8, Brinda was screaming at the doctors were putting injection on her wound. Her wound, it is question number 8, her wound, it is adjective. Those creams were hers. This hers is pronoun. Question number 9, my or mine personal trainer makes me exercise for more than an hour every day. So what is this my or mine? So here my personal trainer. Okay. So here my is not pronoun, it is an adjective. Okay. Question number 10. I have worked to improve the quality of my work. What have you done to improve yours? or your. So it would be yours and it is pronoun. What type of pronoun is it? It is possessive pronoun. Okay. Now switch to question number C. State whether the highlighted words are pronouns or adjectives. Whose book have you brought with you? Whose book? It is adjective and you is here pronoun. Question number 2. Who is the girl standing next to Nitin? Here who is pronoun. It is what type of pronoun it is? It is interrogative pronoun. Question number 3. These mangoes are delicious. So this here adjective. It is not pronoun. Question number 4. Those are the most beautiful flowers I have ever seen. Question number 4. Those. Here those is pronoun. What type of pronoun it is? It is demonstrative pronoun. Question number 5. I have decided to donate my pocket money. What will you do with yours? So first is my pocket money, that is my is adjective and yours is pronoun. Now question number 6. His designs have won him many awards. So here his design is his is adjective and him is pronoun. Question number 7. Which team has qualified for the finals? Which team has qualified for the final? Here which team means it is adjective. And now question number 9. Which of these cars needs to be repaired? Which of these cars needs to be repaired? Question number 9. Question number 8. What do you want to do next? This what is pronoun. Question number 10. What is my pen? So the question, the first what is this? What is means it is demonstrative pronoun. And my pen, it is my here adjective. Okay, you know it very well why my is adjective. I have explained you several times. So it is the basic difference between adjective and pronoun. Okay, now go to question number 11. People living in small towns are usually people living in small towns are usually friendlier than other living in metropolitan cities. So here those living in metropolitan cities. So those here pronoun. Why? Because after those there is a verb, that is living. Question number 12. Won't you return those books? Those belongs to me. So there are two those and belongs to them. So here the what is first those books. Here those is an adjective and the second line, the second sentence, those belongs to them. So those here pronoun and them is also pronoun. Now turn over page number 30. Okay, there is no question. So you have to go page number 33. It is the learn segment. The question is, say which of these highlighted words is not a pronoun. Whose mobile phone is lying on the table? Is it yours? So whose, here is adjective, it is not a pronoun. I feel these are superior to those. So here question number 2, both are pronouns. Question number 3, Mr. Kumilla asked us to do it in this manner. So in this manner, what is this? This manner. This is here adjective, because after this there is no verb. Question number 4. Our teacher says that one must do one's best. So what is that? Here in this sentence, it is, that is your pronoun, because that one must do means that is a person. Okay, now question number 5. Do look into that matter. Here that, what is that? That is an adjective. Question number 6. Which factory are you visiting this afternoon? Here both are adjectives, because which factory, so which here is adjective, and this afternoon, because here this is not demonstrative pronoun. Okay, it is demonstrative adjective. Question number 7. Few escapes unhurt that night. So that night, it is also adjective. Question number 8. Who took the book that I brought from that shop? So here who took, here who is pronoun. That book means that is adjective. That shop, that is the third, the second, that is also adjective. Question number 9. This is the girl who lost her keys at the shopping mall. So this is the girl. So here this is pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and who lost, who is also pronoun, it is a relative pronoun. Okay, now question number 10. Each of the sisters has worked hard to achieve this. Okay, each of the sisters. What is each? Each is also here pronoun. It is reciprocal pronoun. Okay, I am very sorry, it is not reciprocal pronoun. Each is each indefinite pronoun. I am very sorry, each is indefinite pronoun. Now achieved this. Now go to practice. It is column question number A. Okay, complete each sentences using an indefinite pronoun. One pronoun can be used more than once. So first answer will be, no one will believe me if I say that I have seen ghosts. A long time ago, I had visited Nainital and stayed at a ghost house that anyone had never stayed in. When I was walking towards the gate, I heard someone singing in a melodious voice. However, I could not see anyone. Someone must be around, I thought to myself. I walked into the porch and knocked on the door. Someone came to open the door. I pushed the door open and went in. At a distance from where I was standing, I could see somebody lighting the lamps. Some of the rooms were well lit and neat and clean. Now go to the next page. Join this set of sentences using suitable relative pronouns. Okay. So I am telling you the answer. The woman who lives down the street is living town. I enjoy swimming, which is a fine exercise. The teacher who is on leave today has recently joined. The students whose parents were congratulated had scored the highest marks. Fresh vegetables are available at the local market that is nearby. You met Mr. Shom recently, who is a very talented artist. You were supported to meet the clients who have postponed the meeting. The conversation that I had with the master of ceremonies proved useful. The children who are continuous attain success. Question number 10. Food and Fun, which is a spacious restaurant, is situated close to the bay. The dog that was limping has hurt its leg. That watch which my father gifted me needs a new battery. Okay. Now, next, identify the pronouns in these sentences and state their kind. It is a question number C. Okay. The answer is who, that is relative pronoun, mine possessive pronoun, who relative pronoun, which also relative pronoun, theirs, his is possessive pronoun, which is here relative pronoun, personal, several, no one, that is indefinite pronoun, several, indefinite pronoun, myself, emphatic pronoun, no one, that is indefinite pronoun, yourself, reflexive pronoun, that, relative pronoun, themselves, reflexive pronoun, one another, reciprocal pronoun. Okay. Now, go to question number D. Encircle the correct indefinite pronoun. So here nobody is indefinite pronoun, something, everything, nobody, something, somewhere, everywhere, anything, everything, several, both, all. These all are indefinite pronoun. Okay. So this chapter is completed, means I have given you the total answer of this chapter. I mean answer of exercise 3 is completed. Okay. So, in the time of online classes, I will explain line by line, so that you will be able to understand each and every sentence. Till then, bye bye. Have a good day.